Hey kids, hi Augie. As you can see, this is my new setup. I'm normally a gas-powered guy, but I am a fan of Ryobi tools. So, and I bought this on the recommendation of a very close friend of mine. You know who you are. And anyways, it says it claims it's more power than a 27cc gas trimmer, 45-minute runtime, blah, blah, blah. I bought the blower trimmer combo. I also bought this tilling attachment. It's got one of those adjustable things. I can hook in a bunch of different attachments. As you can see, we're mostly ready to go. I haven't put together the I have not put together the tiller yet, but that is coming up shortly. Let me try this. I'm really hopping to try this weed eater out. So why don't we do that now? Safety glasses. Like a damn junkyard back here. Poor little guy. What's going on, buddy? What's going on, little buddy? Hello, pretty boy. I know, but Dog Dad has work to do in here, so you can't come in here though, because I don't want you getting hurt. No, sir. I don't want the pupper getting hurt. That's not my modus operandi for today. So you gotta stay out there, buddy. Okay? no fault of your own. Things are a little blurry because these are not prescription safety glasses, they're just regular safety glasses. But let me show you quickly the devastation that I've wrought. So I think that's pretty good. So I missed a little spot there, but I started going in there. Those were going to be very difficult, so I think I have to put the blade on it to take down these big boys here because they're pretty thick, and I don't want to just go through endless amounts of string to do that. These I'm going to leave because they're raspberries, believe it or not. That is a tree I'm going to plant elsewhere, but everything else is going to be gone, including that amalgamation of foolishness in the back there. So yeah, that's where we're at. So stay tuned. I'll come back when the battery is charged. No.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Okay, so here we are with the pole saw, and here I am right here. I'm opening this oil reservoir tank for the chain cooling, which I did not know when I first purchased it, which I thought was an impressive little add-on. So there's not a whole lot more to say about that. Yeah, I know I hate the sound of my own voice, but it is what it is. But yeah, I was really happy to see that. Okay, so here I am with, I have each one of the telescoping additions added to the pruning saw itself. That's why it looks comically long in my hands. And that's kind of what I'm explaining here. I would not have put all of them on here, but I wanted to demonstrate how long this is. Okay, so when I'm cutting, I'm just letting the weight of the tool kind of pull the blade through the wood. So I'm not exerting any additional force whatsoever. And it's cutting through it like butter. So I was actually very, very impressed with this and glad I bought it, actually. So pretty happy with it. See, I'm just going through these things. It's no big deal. It's not difficult at all. It's just, like I said, the weight of the tool pulling the blade down through the branches. Okay, here I am at the next tree in my backyard. I'm cutting off some dead branches now. Get a little bit, try a little bit, different type of medium for the blade to cut through. Had no problem with that whatsoever. So dried wood, no big deal. I'm actually just pruning these trees to be able to see the birds better. I have bird feeders all over the back of my yard, so it is what it is. It's my domain, so whatever. At any rate, so yeah, you can see the branches falling off pretty easily. Actually, not pretty easily. Effortlessly would be a better adjective. And ultimately, I was really happy with all of my purchases, to be honest. The trimmer, yeah, it's comparable to any gas trimmer I've ever owned. Next, the blower, the same thing, comparable to any homeowner type blower I've ever owned. I used to own like a home light backpack gas blower, and I don't recall. I do not think that this one is any weaker than that one was, and that's not to say it's weak. It's just I don't remember it. I don't remember the gas power blower being any better than the battery powered one. And again, these are the 40-volt versions here, not just the regular one. So they are a bit more expensive, but I think it's actually worth it. But at any rate, guys and gals, if there's any out there watching this horrible content, I appreciate it, and we'll see you back next time. So thanks. Actually, let me just say, I recommend these tools if you're gonna have some battery powered yard tools. Now here I am just going through the yard showing you the diameter of the different pieces of wood I with finger for scale for that I cut off, again, effortlessly. But like I said, ultimately I would recommend these for any homeowner. You won't be disappointed or dissatisfied. Look at that. So, I mean, that's not a small branch there, and it just could cut through it with no problem. 2 thumbs up, 10 stars out of 10 stars, whatever. If you need them, I would suggest you go get them. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.